What's up guys, for today's video we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2020 Malibu RS. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the last time the Malibu received any redesign was in 2016 to this body style, and it attracted a lot of buyers because of how luxurious and safety equipped it was. It wasn't until 2019 is when Chevrolet decided to give it a little refresh and added new trims like the RS, which includes black bow ties and a black spoiler and much more, which made my tester has a window sticker of $25,000 after options. So the engine on this car is the 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 160 horsepower at 5,800 RPMs and 184 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 RPM, connected to a CVT transmission that sends the power to the front wheels. And as for fuel economy, it makes 29 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway with a 15.8 fuel tank capacity. So in the driver door, you have the window control. The driver's side window is fully automatic. Right below, you have a small storage with a bottle holder. You also have the lock and unlock with the door handle. And on the left-hand side steering wheel, you have your automatic light control with the brightness adjust. And on the steering wheel, you have 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your cruise control. On the right-hand side, you have your controls for the screen. And behind the steering wheel, you have your turning signal and your windshield wiper controls. And in the instrument cluster, you have your speed, trip 1, 2, fuel range, vehicle speed, timer. You also have your eco, fuel economy. You have your oil change, air filter, oil pressure, tire pressure, battery voltage, coolant temperature, units, speed warning. And right along the center console, you have an 8-inch color screen. Right below, you have the radio controls, hazards, climate control. You have a small phone storage. You have USB, USB-C, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. And right behind it, you have your CVT transmission. You have backup camera with guidance lines. You also have 2 cup holders and a small coin storage. And on the screen you have your audio, you have AM and FM. You also have your Bluetooth. You have your phone connectivity, your Wi-Fi hotspot, your different settings, your Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto, and your OnStar service. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $24,220. They added the remote start feature, which made this car has a window sticker of $25,395. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.